Hi everyone, it's Dave here on this absolutely stunning, gorgeous, perfect mid-January winter's day. The temperature is about 0 degrees. The sky is crystal clear, aqua blue. There is no cloud to be seen. The ground is crunchy underfoot with a thick layer of frost and a dusting of snow, and it just makes me glad to be alive. What an antidote to the chaos of people and the chaos of an unhinged, deranged society that has completely lost itself in the insanity, fear and paranoia of this year. It's interesting, you know, because I think everybody probably to some degree may fall prey to this. One of the symptoms of being alive in the 21st century, since the advent of the rapid technological revolution, is that I think we all are susceptible to overcomplicating our lives, prey to too much information, and then the confusion that results in, and the rise of the free market economy, which has resulted in multi-billion pound businesses vying for our attention and pushing their products on us. So we do live in the age of materialism, status, information, but also we live in the age of confusion, of meaningless, and of general lack of fulfillment. And it's easy to see why. We are a generation ripe for manipulation, and yet look at this. Look at this. What an antidote to that chaos. You know, it's interesting when you actually pay attention to how society wants to force us to conform. And I say society, the media, as I always talk about, big business, advertisers. Do this, buy this, you need to get this. You know, you listen to the adverts on the radio, you see them on the TV for the latest car, the latest phone, things that we don't need. And then the advertisements from the likes of McDonald's and KFC pushing their products, things that are bad for us. And it's obvious to me, it's obvious why so many are lost, why so many are unhealthy in mind, body and spirit, because they're just consumed by this tidal wave of information, mass advertising, and the need to conform and the need to live up to the image that they think they need to live up to. I'm just changing my hand. I still can't find my selfie stick, and it just absolutely is intrigues me. And the traps that I once fell into. The trap: you must get a secure job, you must go up the career ladder, you must save for your retirement, you must get a car, you must get married, you must have 2.4 children, You must always conform. And most people do, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. What my argument is that we don't have enough contrarians in our society, enough skeptics, enough questioners, enough curious people. Which is why I have to get away from all that and immerse myself in this gorgeous, alluring countryside. Just me and Mother Nature, away from the chaos and the insanity that is just all around and is consuming people, nearly consumed me. Anyway, I'm going to continue enjoying the rest of my walk, and I'll speak to you soon. Please let me know in the comments any thoughts that you have regarding today's content, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.